Look, finally got one undid. Took a lot of whamming to get that thing. I had to put my little safety gloves on. Oh, she just dropped back in. Holy crap. I'm tired now. Smashed my finger a few times. Let's see, where's a good spot to set you so you can watch this thing fall out. Is it gonna stay right there? Not really. Won't fit there. I don't really have a good spot to set you right here. What do we got there? Okay, here we go. Well, that's not going to show the motor. Or is it? Nope, just the bottom of it. That gonna work. Yeah, that would work if the camera would stay. Let's just set you there for a sec. Good thing I'm not reusing these parts. I'd like to reuse that though. Let's see, which one was that? That one right there. Coming through? Oh yeah. Let me get some gloves on so I don't make a complete mess of myself. Kind of want to keep these clothes pretty clean. I just washed them last night. Hope you're all enjoying staring at the motor. Big block Pontiac 455, 1971. And that glove is not large. Look at that. There goes the camera. And then I got oil all over my hands. I don't want to get it all over the camera. So, here we are. One piston and connecting rod from a 1971 455 big block. A little bit of carbon and rust and crud on the top there. Actually, it doesn't look bad. I was figuring there'd be a lot more rust on the rings, but saturator, this one at least, was saturated enough in oil that I'm going to have to figure out something to do with one of these. Polish it up or something. So. Is it showing up there? Look at the discoloration on that bearing. Bottom edges don't look like they're hardly even touched. I don't know if that's just from sitting for so long or if the thing was wearing out, getting a little play. There's a little bit of grooving in this one. Just barely feel it with fingernail. But anyway, that's a good sized piston. Lots of horsepower right there. Alright, I'm not going to keep the camera rolling. Don't need to make a whole bunch of 20-minute videos to upload. So I'm going to try to pop a few more of these out, see if I can't get that crank to spin. So I can reposition a couple of those bolts on the connecting rods. Actually, let's put this back around, grab the camera and the light. Actually, you know what I got? Flip the screen around so I can see what you all are looking at. It doesn't look bad in there. So yeah, that's good size. I don't know what the bore is on these things. I don't have a tape measure handy. That's definitely a good size piston there. Alrighty, start tacking a couple more of these, see if I can't get a few more popped out. I'll do another quick little vid when I get a few more out, and we'll go from there. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye-bye.